Football niche is one of the best and easiest niches you can do on YouTube and TikTok. This niche has a huge audience, so it's really easy to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours with this niche. That's why this niche is one of my personal favorite niches. I recently created this video about how I created this YouTube channel related to the football niche and showed you guys my results after the first 30 days. A lot of you guys requested to make a full course about how to make videos for this football niche. So I decided to make a full guide about how to create videos for football niche. So if you guys want to share your knowledge about YouTube and get help from other creators, join our Telegram community. I will leave the link in the description. In this video, I will only show you how to create short videos for this niche. I will make a separate video to show you guys how to create a long video for this niche. I'm going to show two types of short videos and how to make those. Now, let me show you an example video first, and then we can start the video creation process.
Do you know about the 5 players who have achieved the highest number of hat tricks in football? Let's find out. At number 5, Ali Daei from Iran with 8 hat tricks. At number 4, Poul Nielsen from Denmark with 8 hat tricks. At number 3, Lionel Messi from Argentina with 9 hat tricks. At number 2, Sven Rydell from Sweden with 9 hat tricks. At number 1, Cristiano Ronaldo from Portugal with 10 hat tricks.
Now, I think you have a clear idea about what type of video these are going to be. These are like the top 5 football facts. The first thing we should do is to create a video script. We can simply use ChatGPT for that. Let's go to ChatGPT and use this prompt, which is create a simple video script for a YouTube short. The topic of the video is the top 5 football players who have achieved the highest number of goals in football history. Let's generate it. Okay, I have read this script, and it's really good. I may change a few things about this script when I'm generating the voiceovers. If you think your script sounds like an AI-generated script, just read the whole script and convert it into your own words. Now we need to generate voiceovers for this. As usual, we can use 11 Labs for it. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this. So let's go to 11 Labs and create the voiceovers. You can select a suitable voice from here. Then all you need to do is copy and paste the script we generated part by part here. So just like this, create the voiceovers for the whole script. The next thing we must do is, we should find pictures related to these players and their country flags. We can simply use Google and download these images. For this, you need to read the whole script and find out who these players are and where are they from. So let's download all the necessary images. I have downloaded all these images. The next step is to find out suitable background music for this video. We can use pixabay.com to find good background music for this video. After you download the background music, go to pexels.com and download some videos related to football. We are going to use these videos as the background layer for our video. Now, we have all the materials to create the final video. To edit all these, you can use either Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. For this example, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then you need to upload all the material that we created to this. Click this Import button and select all those voiceovers, music, and videos. First, drag and drop all the voiceovers to the timeline in the correct order. Make sure to remove the silence parts from these voiceovers. After adding all the voiceovers, add the background video on top of that layer, and make sure to change its size to match the surface area. Now, I'm going to add a text layer and add a text like this. Top 5 football players who have achieved the highest number of goals in football history. Now, let's modify this text. I'm going to make it all capital. And you can add a cool font from here. And let's add a pre-made text effect like this. Now go to animations and add cool slide and animation to this text layer to improve its quality. Okay, now we need to add the images. So this is going to be the 5th player on this list. First, I'm going to add a new text layer and rename it to number 5. Just like we did before, you can add a cool font and text effect like this to this text. I like this yellow background option, so let's use it. Then, we can add the image related to this player and adjust its size. Let's duplicate this text layer and rename it to the number of goals to represent the number of goals that this player has scored. After that, we can add an image related to this player's country like this. Make sure to adjust its size as well. Then, Go to animations again and add suitable sliding animations for all these layers one by one. Now just like this, add all the other 5 players to the timeline. It's the same process, guys. Make sure to edit these correctly. After that, all you need to do is add the background music to the timeline and reduce its volume to match the voiceover. Then you can export the video. Now we can go to the next video style. Let me show you a sample video first.
Football, known as soccer in some countries, is the most popular sport in the world. But why does it capture the hearts of so many? Firstly, it's incredibly simple to play. All you need is a ball and some space, making it accessible to people of all ages and backgrounds. The rules are easy to understand, which means anyone can enjoy a game without much explanation. Secondly, football is a universal language. No matter where you're from, you can bond over a love for the game. It brings people together, fostering community and teamwork. Additionally, the excitement and unpredictability of football matches keep fans on the edge of their seats. The World Cup, held every 4 years, showcases this passion by uniting nations in a celebration of the sport. Finally, football legends like Pelé, Maradona, and Messi inspire millions, turning ordinary moments into unforgettable memories. These factors make football not just a game, but a global...
You wouldn't believe how easy it is to create that video. I used a new AI tool to create that video. For this process, I'm going to use this new AI tool called Autoshorts AI. Let me tell you why this AI tool is really good for this niche. This AI will do everything starting from script writing, image generation, and editing. And they will upload your videos to your channel with titles and descriptions. Basically, you don't have to worry about anything. The crazy thing is that all videos that are generated by this AI tool are unique and new, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. When it comes to monetization, this is a huge issue. You cannot use copyrighted content or reused content. Autoshort AI will generate unique and new videos every time you create a video. With Autoshorts AI, you can manage several YouTube and TikTok channels without any stress or workload. So, let's see how this AI is going to work. First, you need to sign up for this AI. You can sign up for free. They have 3 plans. The first one is the starter plan, where you can upload 3 videos per week and it's only $19. Then we have the daily plan, which is for $39, where you can upload 1 video per day. Finally, we have the hardcore plan for $69, where you can upload 2 videos per day. You don't have to pay for the whole year like the other tools. You can just try this for a month and see the results. Okay, let's create a video for our niche with this AI. After you sign up, go to Create. Then you will come to this page. Here you can connect your YouTube or TikTok page to this AI. When your video is completed, this AI will upload the video to your connected YouTube channel. If you don't want to do that, you can just simply select the email option. They will email the final output to you. I'm going to select the email option because I would prefer to upload the video by myself. Okay, with this drop-down menu, you can select your niche. As you can see here, they have included all the trending niches in this. Scary stories, motivation, random stories, funny stories, philosophy, and much more. You can even enter your custom niche and they will create a video for it. In this case, we need to use the custom prompt. Let's select it and type our prompt. I'm going to ask like this. Create a video about why football is the most popular sport in the world. Make it simple and easy to understand, and don't use complex words. The next step is to select a good AI voice for our video. Now you need to check these voices and select a matching voice for this video. So, I think this voice would be suitable. I will select it. Remember to select a good voice because voiceover plays a huge part when it comes to going viral on YouTube or TikTok. Then, you can select a preferred language. Now we need to select the duration time of this video. If you are planning to upload these videos to both TikTok and YouTube, I would recommend you to select 30 to 60 second duration. That's all, guys. Once you enter all this information, you can create your video. After this process is completed, click the Create a Series button, and it will start to create the video series. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes to generate your video. Now, while your video is generating, you can see all the information here, the title of your video, and the full script of your video. Okay, great. Our video is completed now. Now you can download this video and upload it to your channel. So if you use this AI, you can speed up your video uploading process. Especially if you are someone who does not have much time to edit videos, this is a good tool for you. So with that, this video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.